Hello everyone, it is Sandy with Two Fat Birds Creative, and today we are going to do a BeebeeCraft unboxing. Here's my little package that arrived today. Fortunately, I didn't know who it was from because you can see it doesn't really say until I opened it, and then I realized what it was. So let's get going. Let's see what we got. So first I got my little invoice sheet here. So you can kind of see item codes. Anyway, so first, this is a keychain mold and parts. So it's the actual split rings with chains. Little jump rings. Always good for those, and a bunch of little keychain molds. And I saw a cow in here, so I was super excited for the cow. So, we have little chicken, little baby chicks. This is so cute. And we have some sharks that I was really happy to see. And some bears. I guess this is a llama, maybe? Baby llamas? I guess maybe these smaller ones are earrings. A dinosaur. I would say that's a T-Rex, judging by the itty-bitty arms. And an elephant. There's my mom used to call them a heffalump. Heffalumps. Elephants. Big kitten cat face. Big kitty cat itself. And then my little cow face. Little horns. So I can make fun cows. I'm excited for those. So that'll make a fun little keychain makes. Set these over here. Things are sticking to my tape here. Actually, we'll set them up here. Not that we can see everything very well, but you know, we'll do our best. I need the package. There's that. And next we have a Halloween mold. No, a Christmas mold. I don't know why I thought it was pumpkins. It's a little snowman and a little Christmas tree. I am super excited for these guys. Oh my gosh, you just don't even know. I have been wanting a Christmas tree mold. Yay! So we'll put these guys over here. And then we get these guys. And these I think are donks or gnomes. A little 3-pack, so that's fun. We got this little gnome. Or gonk. This little guy, they're all the same, this little guy. But I have some friends who are super excited for me to start making the gnomes. Super excited. And then last but not least, this I know is a little Buddha mold. It's super squishy soft. Kind of see that. Little Buddha mold, so that'll be fun to make too. So I think to get started, I'm actually probably just gonna do a quick make with the Christmas tree. Yeah. All right, see you in a bit. So guys, I got this little fairy light set. I think I might try to actually put the lights into the mold here. and then fill it up with resin and see how that works. My resin is over there spinning away. A few more minutes till that's done. And then I picked out these mica powders from Unicorn. We have glitter teal, probably won't use that. We have sage green. I've got some suspended glitter. This is from, I think, Resin. So she's the star of the show. Alright, while that's still spinning, let's go ahead and unwrap this little light guy and see what we got. Maybe? There we go. Don't want to hurt the mold, so now I'm going to wrap that up and try and tuck it under there so that those ends don't scratch anything. Let's see. That also will allow me to have a little light down at the very tip. Down there at the bottom. Alright, so from there, just kind of wind it up a little. Down there. So I definitely going to want to also make sure that my resin is pretty opaque because I don't want to see, well, but not so opaque the light doesn't shine through. So that's going to be the trick. Opaque that you can't see the wires, but not so opaque that you can't see the lights. I think that's good. And I'm going to get the resin. Alright guys, got my resin all mixed up. And now let's just start adding some color to it and see what we get. I have a fan on, so this is like blowing. Trying to just get it in here without it blowing away. Alright, let's see what we get when we mix this puppy. Sent some mica powder flying. Got on my little gnomes. I want to add a hint more of the dark green. Well, let's see if this will work. Actually, let's give it a minute to sit. Let it degas for a minute. Alright, let's give it a go. You can see I got that little light all twisted in there. I actually have the little end sitting on top of another mold. Here's the... You see that non-sinking glitter is really sparkling in there with green and red. Love that look. Alright, here we go. I'm going to fill it half, like that to there first. And then just give it a little jiggle, make sure it's getting a little squish. Make sure it's getting there. Hopefully I didn't just dislodge my little light at the tip. In the end, mine got it better. Or you can keep your mind in the gutter. It's always fun too. I don't judge. Alright, the thing I'm going to have to figure out now is how to get that squished down in there. Alrighty, let's see. Hope I don't have any bubbles in there. I filled it probably, but we'll try to go down in this little things of the points of the tree and get those bubbles out if they're in there. Nothing about this in there, but if you're on the center and I can't see it, it's straight. And I'm not going to say I'm stubborn in, so that's the limitation. But these wires are going to be. probably should have sprayed it more with some purple alcohol. Down in there. All right. I think I got it out. Alright guys, here's our little Christmas tree. Oops, there went my little other mold. Alright, let's see what we got. BeebeeCraft has a YouTube program. So if you have a YouTube channel and you have 100 or more viewers and you are active and communicating and corresponding with people on your YouTube channel, they may approve you for their YouTube program. I will put the link in my description so you can check that out. And I will put the link to all my products in the description as well. Alrighty. Come on, little baby. Unfortunately, you can see the wires, so I was trying to avoid that, but whoa. All that overpour just went flying everywhere. So here she is. So you can kind of see it there, but that's all right. All right, here comes the truth. Let's get the battery out of here. Yay! So she works. Didn't get very many lights over here. But yay, she works. Let's see. There she be. That's awesome. Yay. And I did just do the little Buddha and unmolded him as well. I think he's super cute. Alright, that's it for this video. Check out my links in the description for the BeebeeCraft YouTube program, and all the links to the molds through BeebeeCraft as well. You guys take care. Bye.